Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Honda Civic 2016 Misfire. Misfiring very bad, and when we open Misfire cylinder number 3, so this is 1, 2 and 3. So when we open it, we check here, everything look good. I said let's see if we can swap the coils, but when we look inside, this is what we get. You see, full of water. So we have to clean this one here. We have to clean the connector. If everything is good and dry out, that's okay. And then we take it from there. But it was hesitating. So if you are washing your car, be sure that not to let this thing happen to your car. You see the water? The car is misfiring cylinder number 3 intermittent. It's a very nice car. So I don't want to change the coil, but we're gonna clean it and let everything good. If you notice the code here, you see cylinder number 3. This is a car 2016, and also you have evap leak or evap code, but the most important, we need to get rid of this cylinder number 3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.